This is probably the most straightforward video you're going to find on YouTube. If you're having 0 views or having low impressions, then stick to the end of this video and you're going to get 2 things. The reason why you are stuck at 0 views and how to get out of the 0 view glitch. You see, when you get 0 views, it's one of 2 things. The algorithm wasn't showing anyone your video, or it showed it to some set of people and they didn't click. So quickly, let's dive into the reasons why your channel is getting 0 views consistently.
If your video has 0 views, 0 impressions, nothing, not low views, not bad CTR, I mean 0, then stop blaming your thumbnail. Stop blaming your title. Because the truth is, YouTube didn't even give you a chance. And that's not random. That's not luck. That's a system decision. And in this video, I'm going to break down exactly why your video never entered the system, and more importantly, how to force it in. Because most creators think they have a views problem, but what you actually have is a visibility denial problem. Part 1. Why you're getting 0 views. Let's start with the first reason, and this one alone has killed thousands of channels before they even started. 1. The Security Sandbox. YouTube is at war, not with creators, with bots. Every single day, thousands of fake channels are created, uploading spam, recycled content, garbage. So what does YouTube do? It builds a filter system. And if your channel triggers even one suspicion, you get placed into something creators don't even realize exists, a sandbox. Inside that sandbox, your videos don't get tested. They don't get pushed. They don't even get shown to one person. Not because your content is bad, but because YouTube isn't sure you're real yet. New channel? Sudden niche change? Weird upload behavior? Boom. Sandbox. 2. Metadata mismatch. Now let's talk about the mistake that makes the algorithm completely ignore you. If your title says one thing, your content says another. Or worse, your title says nothing useful at all, then YouTube has a problem. It doesn't know who to show your video to. And when the algorithm has 2 options, show your video to the wrong audience, or show it to no one, it chooses no one. 3. Reused content and AI slop. This one is silently killing channels right now. YouTube does not need more copies of the same content, same AI voice, same stock clips, same TikTok repost, same script structure. You're not unique, and the algorithm knows it. So instead of banning you, it does something worse. It ignores you. 0 impressions is not a glitch sometimes. It's a decision. 4. Shorts feed entry failure. Now if you're posting shorts, this one is brutal. There's a gateway before your video enters the shorts feed. And if you fail that gateway, your video never gets into the swipe system. Wrong format? Weird resolution? Watermarks? Static first 3 seconds? Blocked. Not bad performance. Just never entered. Now before I show you how to fix all of this, take 10 seconds. Hit the like button. Because when you do that, you're telling YouTube this video actually helps creators. And that pushes it to people who are stuck exactly where you are right now. And if you want, drop a comment. I actually read them, and I might audit your channel personally. Now let's fix this. Part 2. How to fix 0 views. Strategy 1. Identity reset. If your channel is already stuck, you don't keep uploading and hope. You reset your identity. First, clean your channel. Any low-effort, 0 view, AI-looking content, private it, remove it. You're clearing your signal. Then, you do something most people avoid. You show proof of humanity. Use your real voice. Use facecam if possible. Break the pattern. Because the algorithm isn't just analyzing content, it's analyzing trust. Then, pick one topic and stick to it for 5 videos straight. No switching, no experimenting. You are teaching the algorithm who you are. Strategy 2. Metadata hard code. At 0 views, you are not chasing virality. You are chasing discoverability. Go to YouTube search, type your topic. Whatever auto-populates, that is what people are already searching for. Use those exact phrases in your title, in your description. Forget clickbait for now. You need your first 5 viewers from search, not the homepage. Strategy 3. Force the first spark. The algorithm needs data. No data equals no push. So what do? You create the data yourself. Send it to real people. Share it in communities. Post it where your audience already exists. And your goal is simple. Get 10 real people to actually watch. Because once YouTube sees watch time, it finally has something to test. Strategy 4. The nuclear option. Now let's be real. Sometimes your channel is too far gone. Not officially, but algorithmically, it's buried. If you've posted 10+ solid videos over weeks and still getting 0 impressions, start over. New channel, new email, clean start. But listen carefully. If you carry the same bad habits into the new channel, you will get the same result. The 0 views glitch is not really a glitch. It's a filter. And your job is to prove to YouTube that you deserve to pass through it. Original content, clear identity, real engagement. Do that, and your videos won't stay at 0. Before you go, there's one more thing you need to double check. Make sure your channel is properly verified. Phone number verification, account setup, all of it. Because if YouTube can't fully trust your account, everything we just talked about becomes 10 times harder. And don't forget, sometimes the biggest growth move you can make is letting go of what's not working and starting fresh with clarity. A new channel isn't failure. It's a reset with experience. If you're struggling with any of this, drop a comment. I'd genuinely love to hear from you, and I'll be looking forward to it. Thank you for watching and for staying all the way to the end. Until next time, bye.